Good morning, everyone. It's Susan at Escapes. I am now in Playa del Carmen at the Paradisus. There are three resorts here. The Reserve, which is adult only within the Paradisus. There's La Perla, adult only, and the family section. Follow along and let's see what we see. It's a grand entrance. This is check-in for Paradisus family side. Area where you can sit in air condition, relax, have something to eat. This is the secret door that leads to an area for teens, so they can play video games. We are seeing Kidsdom. This is a place where you can leave your children so that they can enjoy all the activities that little kids enjoy. They also accept babies, so it allows the parents to go and have maybe a nice leisurely lunch or a dinner, and your children are being cared for by professional, well-trained nannies. And these are all garden view. The Bali beds are first come, first serve, no charge. This is the snack bar, poolside.
With the suite or with the master suite. Master and the...
We'll have a king bed, right? This one has the king bed in the bedroom?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here for most of them.
Could be a two-bedroom connecting suite. This is the lunch box in the family section. This is open for breakfast and lunch, and it is a la carte. High chairs, and you can serve yourself from some items, but they do make omelets and sandwiches. Pool bar. These rooms are garden views. This is the Canna Club. They do use this for weddings, but you are more than welcome to just have a drink and sit and relax, and there's swings over there. This is Canna Bridge, and it's used for weddings, and oh my goodness, you should see the setups. Absolutely stunning. If you're a wedding couple planning your destination wedding, this would be an absolutely stunning location. Ask me about details. If you're planning a wedding here, this gazebo is part of the all-inclusive, so no extra charge. Neos, the buffet for families, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Lobby bar. Lots of comfy seating. There's a selection of breads, and they do offer gluten-free. Pizza and pasta. They're making tacos. Italian, mixed vegetables, rice, potato slices, or wedges, I should say. Yogurt, jello, white cabbage, baked potato, corn, tamales, some sweet treats, salad, different dressings, couscous, shrimp salad, cheese, sushi, this is the ice cream shop. Espresso with cookies.
Okay, I tell you first. I tell you first what we have to do. Okay, so listen. Listen. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
They're giving dance lessons.
3, 4.
What fun.
Okay.
If you enjoy walking out of your sliding glass door into your own plunge pool, be sure to check this resort. It is amazing.
Bachata, listen. It's time to dance. It's time to shake it. If you want to join us, everybody get closer.
This is lemon fish in Paradisus Playa del Carmen. The martini bar. Oh, look at those beautiful glasses. We're having dinner at Sol Steak Cave. Another glorious morning in Cancun. And this is the reserve, adult only, with added amenities. So be sure to contact me if you need more information. We are in La Perla, which is the adult-only section of Paradisus, and this is the adult-only pool. Quiet in the morning, and it gets lively in the afternoon with music. And the ever-popular swim-up bar. These rooms would be pool view or garden view. This is the self-service food selection at the reserve. So fresh apples, variety of breads, nuts, yogurt, chopped up fruit, little sliders, cappuccino machine. Ooh, Baileys and coffee, that would be good. And a little champagne and orange juice. Well, good morning. And this is a lounge where you can just sit quietly and have a drink, do some work on your computer. Beautiful. This room at the Reserve is so beautiful. King size bed, lots of pillows, plugins for your devices, sofa, table and chairs, and a great view of the pool. Jacuzzi tub on the balcony. If you're going to come all the way to Mexico, why not get a room that has this view? And this pool is for Reserve guests only. Espresso machine. A mini fridge stocked with Coke, Sprite, Heineken, and some snacks. Beautiful big tub. Oh, and there's a wine glass waiting. Double sinks. Hand lotion and body wash. Hair dryer, fluffy towels. Shower with a waterfall shower head. Separate toilet. Luggage rack. Housecoat and ironing board. A steamer and a safe. Extra hangers and plenty of space to hang clothes. Dear Susan, this is my home for a few days, and I know for a fact I will enjoy it. This is the bar in La Perla, adult only. They have a variety of alcohol and it is high end. Good morning. Good morning. There is such a peaceful vibe here. Music is calming. The colors are soothing. This is a resort where you could truly unwind and relax. Welcome to Hadar, the buffet in the adult-only section. Selection of juices and champagne. Fresh fruit. Cereal. Grains and nuts, oatmeal, peach yogurt, strawberry yogurt, cream cheese, salmon, bagel, salad bar, fried plantain, mixed vegetables. And this is pancakes that are gluten-free. Selection of cheeses, churros, breakfast sausage, bacon, French toast, marmalades, jams, omelette station. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Excelente. Juice bar, beet, pineapple, grapefruit. Selection of breads and buns, toaster, oatmeal. She's blending fresh fruit for a smoothie. Scrambled eggs, stewed chicken, tomatoes, potatoes, beef, pork. This is lovely. And this is the bridal office where you'll come and meet your wedding planner 2 days before your wedding. There'll be a variety of plates and silverware, stemware that you can choose from for your wedding table. So we're on the adult only side, and now we pass through to the family side. This is the new restaurant that's added to Paradisus called Flora. It is farm to table and all fresh food, and they do offer gluten-free and vegetarian. This is the blue agave for tacos, and I have eaten here and it's really good. Roasted onion, cucumbers, roasted chiles, so you can make your own tacos. Muy bien. This is a bar where you can order a drink and just sit quietly and look at the ocean view. This is the Cana Club. These are rooms in the reserve, adult only and garden facing. This is the pool for the reserve, adult only. The rooms we're looking at are pool facing or garden view.